Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick another guess what's in the box video, aka it's a small bag from eBay. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I believe this is a switch. Might be the ETC, not the ETC switch, it might be the E-locker switch. Could be another switch, might be another dash switch for the limited. This package is really tiny. It is 7 inches and 3/8 of an inch long. It is 5 inches wide, and it's about 1 1/4 inches thick in the center. What do you guys think it is? Just a quick little guess what's in the box video, bag video. Do got some other stuff for the limited sitting here. My wife's gonna help me install this because I asked her to help me. We just got this limited 4x4 picked up. It needs some work. It needs a steering rack, some tie rods. It needs a power steering pump. I'm going to have to take the pulley off as well as the reservoir off of that. I do have a new transmission dipstick because the transmission dipstick that it has, and I will take it out and show you guys because, you know, I'm going to end up keeping it as a spare if I can fix it. So up here, it's got like 6 half bent wrinkles in it which don't belong, and the transmission stick is when you try to put it in, it doesn't want to go in very well, which tells me there's something stuck in this tube or the tube that is permanently affixed to the transmission pan, and that's why this has a grommet on it. This actually attaches to that tube, so you can literally unbolt this and pull this off. If you're working in the engine bay, you don't actually have to remove the transmission pan to remove the top half of it. But I picked up another top half tube. This tube right here was 80 bucks. This was 24 bucks. And the transmission pan is 179 bucks, which isn't bad. I will pick the transmission pan up later. At the moment, the transmission is not leaking very much. It's got a small leak out of the transmission dipstick tube that goes into the pan, but it's not enough for me to be like, you know what, I need to buy the pan right this minute. I did pick these up because I thought these would be the easy fix. Come to find out, it's not, because there's something in the tube, and it's not in this tube. So I will hold on to these two items, and I will put them in after I get the pan. And when I get the pan, it's just easier to buy the pan anyways, because I'm going to be doing a transmission flush and as well as change out the filter and everything. So I got to take the pan off anyways when I do that. So when I'm ready to do a transmission cleaning, flush and refill, make sure I check everything and check the filters and everything, or the filter. I have to remove the pan to do that anyway, so it's just easier to buy the pan then. I got two. I got the pressurized line as well as the return line for the power steering pump. I'm replacing everything that's power steering other than the pulley and the reservoir itself. The power steering pump, the rack, the tie rods, both lines, they're all being replaced. So that's just a quick little update. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. We'll open this little package and reveal what it is in the next video. Trying to make these videos short and sweet. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links. as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hope to see you guys on the next episode. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time. Peace!